In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your first vault in Obsidian. A vault is the heart of Obsidian, your dedicated workspace where all your notes, folders, and files live together. Think of it like a neatly arranged cabinet for your ideas, projects, and research. Setting it up the right way makes everything you do afterwards smoother and more organized. First, open Obsidian on your device. If you've just installed it, you'll land on the welcome screen. From there, choose Create New Vault. This tells Obsidian you want a fresh, clean space that's entirely yours, rather than connecting to any existing notes you might have elsewhere. Next, give your vault a name. Use something clear and purposeful, like personal notes, writing studio, or projects. Good names help you quickly recognize what belongs in that space. If you plan to create more than one vault later, consistent naming will save you time and keep things tidy. Now, choose where on your computer the vault will be saved. This is important because Obsidian stores your notes as plain text files inside a regular folder. Pick a location you trust and can find easily. Somewhere that fits your workflow, like a Documents or Projects folder. If you back up your computer or use a folder that's already synced by your preferred backup service, placing your vault there can add peace of mind. Avoid temporary locations or download folders that you clean out often. You can move a vault later if needed, but choosing a stable home up front is simpler. When you're happy with the name and location, click Create. Obsidian will build your new vault and open it immediately. You're now inside your workspace, ready to capture ideas. From here, start adding notes and folders inside your new vault. Think about the big areas of your life or work and create folders to match them. Then, place notes inside those folders as you go. You might keep it broad at first and refine your structure over time. The beauty of Obsidian is that your notes are just files and folders, so you can rearrange them freely as your needs evolve. Keep names descriptive and consistent, and don't worry about getting it perfect on day one. Clarity grows as you write. That's it. You opened Obsidian, created a new vault, named it, chose a location, confirmed the setup, and began building your note system. With your vault in place, you're ready to capture thoughts, plan projects, and grow a knowledge base you actually enjoy using.